have a big bag like this that you carry every day, but there's no way to keep it organized without everything falling to the bottom. This is what I did. I bought the Omstyle Bag Purse Organizer. This is felt. It comes in 21 different colors and 5 or 6 different sizes. It is perfect organization for large bags and small bags, depending on what you need. And it also comes with an extra interior bag that is Velcro on the outside, has 2 large pockets, zoom in close here, on each side, plus a huge open zipper compartment. This is perfect. This keeps my bag organized every day. This side has a large single pocket on this side, 2 smaller pockets on the other inside. This one has 2 pockets on the outside and then 3 on the inside, and then the whole inside is open to hold all of your needs. And then if you want the pocket like I showed, it just fits right inside and Velcros in, and it keeps all of your items totally organized every single day. This is the perfect organization for my computer bag I carry every day.